single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna be doing 4 different simple styles I style my first lock when I'm going out, like when I'm like not ready for anything serious. I just want to look nice with my hair. I do this 4 simple style. What I do is I have a center part, and after creating a center part, I just take the 2 strings from the back. Is that strings or 2 hairs from the back, and I tie it. This is the next one I do. I take an elastic band, then I turn my hair. Then tie the elastic band to secure it. I just make a knot by moving it like this. Not anything serious. You can just have like off like this, then tuck it in. Why I love the first lock is that it's secure. When you do it like this, it's very secure. You don't need an extra band to secure it. Taking just a piece here, and just taking a band. I'll just take another hair strand instead of a band this time, and tie that. And this is style 4.